Hiya 3, so today's maths is adding money and I'm going to show you some of the strategies that you are going to need in today's lesson. Okay, so in today's lesson we're going to be doing lots of addition. So you might come across some questions with your part-whole model, so remember these two parts make up your whole. So this add this will give you your total, and then you'll see some bar models as well, which is similar to your part-whole method. So you've got this add this will give you your total. So those are just some examples. And then we have column addition too. But you might be able to do some of them in your head. In fact, there are definitely some questions that you will have today that you can do in your head. And I'm going to show you how you can figure out if you can do it in your head or if you need to use column addition. So let's have a look at these two that I've got on the board. We have £2.50 and £3.20. Now this is a question which you should be able to do in your head, and I'm going to show you now how you can do that in your head. So we'll start off with the pounds. So we've got £2 add £3. Okay, that's quite a straightforward calculation. We know that 2 and 3 equals 5. Then we move to the pence. So we've got 50 pence add 20 pence. We know that 5 and 2 make 7, therefore 50 and 20 make 70, so that's 70 pence. We then add the two together and that gives us £5 and 70 pence, okay? So those are some, that's an example of one that you can do in your head, and there are quite a few of those today that you will be doing in your head. We're now going to move on to column addition. Now some of you might be able to do this one in your head, but I'm encouraging you to do this as column addition because it's a really important mathematical method that you need to master, okay? So I'm just going to recap how to do column addition. We have done quite a lot of this year, so hopefully lots of you will be comfortable with it already. So we're going to set it out with our hundreds, tens and ones. Because £2.72 is the same as 272. Okay, so we will put 272 pence there and £5.35 there. Okay, so remember we always start with the ones because if we need to regroup we need to do it from the column to the left, so we must always start in the ones. So first of all we're going to add 2 and 5 together, which gives us 7. We then have 7 and 3. Now that gives us 10. We know that we can't write that in there, okay, because that 70 and 30 is 100. You cannot have 100 in the tens column. It needs to go into the 100s column. So we're going to put our place value holder there, and we'll move our 100 into the column that it belongs to. So now we've got 200, 500 and 100. So 2 and 5 is 7 and 1 is 8. So there we go, our answer is 807 pence or £8 and 7 pence. Don't be tempted to flip this round and say that it's £8 and 70 pence. Look at where your place value holder is. Your 0 is in the tens column. So it is £8 and 7 pence, not £8 and 70p. Okay, I hope that's helped you. Okay, so those were just some of the strategies that you will be needing to use in today's maths lesson. If you don't get onto the Solve It, that's absolutely fine. Remember, you don't always get onto the Solve It's in school, so just work at your own pace. There are also some maths money games linked on the website, as well as the White Rose problem of the day. So there's lots for you to be getting on with. Just do what works for you, okay?